Here at Eastwood, people often ask us what's the best way to polish a car. So we asked an expert who laid out 2 methods using our random orbital polisher. Depending on how much time you want to invest, you can use the one-step process that will remove swirls and scratches from the paint, or you can opt for a more in-depth 3-step process which will achieve an even more brilliant finish. Here's Kevin showing the one-step process. If you want to see the 3-step process, there will be a link at the end of the video. And remember, if at any time you want to visit Eastwood.com for more information, simply click or tap the button in the top corner of the video.
What's up, everyone? I'm Kevin with TrueShine. Today we're going to do a one-step polish with this Eastwood Orbital buffer. What that's going to do is remove some scratches and bring out the gloss to your vehicle. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do to this panel is clay bar. What that's going to do is it's going to pull out all the contaminants that are in the paint, so that when we buff, we're actually buffing the paint and not just buffing off the contaminants first. So first thing you're going to do is spray the panel down, and then you're just going to get the clay. And just clay, pretty simple. It's going to make a light scratching noise. You're not scratching, it's just pulling all the contaminants out of the paint. If done right, you can usually see this paint isn't in bad shape, but you can see it is a little bit dirty right here on the clay. And then once you just wipe that panel down, there's going to be no contaminants in the paint. You're also going to be able to feel it because it's going to be way smoother than how it was originally. So right now, I just put a couple dime-sized spots of polish on the pad, put it on the paint, and then I move it around just to kind of spread it out a little bit. So once it's moved around, I'll then turn the buffer on low to just kind of get it worked around the paint. And then as I turn the buffer up high, it's going to work it into the paint more and actually start the process of removing some scratches and bringing up the gloss. So once you've worked it in for a few minutes, you can stop, wipe everything down, check your progress. If you're happy with that, you can move on. If not, you can just repeat the process. As you can see, the one-step provided great results in a short amount of time. Anyone can do this at home with their Eastwood buffer and a one-step polish. For all the tools and supplies you saw in this video, check out Eastwood.com.